Welcome to Cigars with M. Today's topic is bales of tobacco. In last week's episode, we took a stop at fermentation in the cigar making process. Let's continue the journey. Once tobacco hands have gone through fermentation, they are placed in burlap bales pressed into a square or a rectangle. Let's take a look at the process of how bales are made. A box of tobacco hands is brought to the pressing station where one associate places the hands into a square mold. Once the mold is full, then it is transferred to the pressing station. A hydraulic machine presses down the tobacco while two associates monitor the pressing and then weave the pressed bales to close. After the pressed bales are closed, they are placed into a storing room in which they will sit for years or even decades.